Breaking news, 5-Star Professional is thrilled to announce this 2021 Rising Star Real Estate Agent Award winner. This award winner is part of an exclusive group of real estate agents who have been identified as up-and-coming professionals in the field. The Rising Star Real Estate Agent Award program is conducted in over 40 markets across the country using an in-depth research methodology. Candidates must submit information about their practice and demonstrate noteworthy production for an early career professional to be considered for the Rising Star Award. These up-and-coming real estate agents exhibit a strong commitment to client satisfaction and embody professional excellence. Congratulations to this 2021 Rising Star Real Estate Agent for delivering outstanding service to their clients. To learn more about their incredible work, visit their website or go to 5starprofessional.com.